Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate your Mac. Firstly, press the power button to turn on your Mac, and if your MacBook doesn't turn on, make sure it's plugged into power. Once the setup screen appears, choose your preferred language and select your region to adjust settings like time zone and keyboard layout. Choose a Wi-Fi network and enter the password. If you're using a wired connection, plug in an Ethernet cable and click Continue after connecting. Now enter your Apple ID and password, and if you don't have it, just create one and follow the on-screen steps to verify your account. Read and accept Apple's license agreement and click Continue to proceed. Enter username, set up a hint in case you forget your password, and click Continue to finish the setup. Choose whether to enable Siri, location services and Touch ID, and configure your Mac Analytics and App Store settings. Once the setup is complete, your Mac will finish the activation process and take you to the desktop. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.